Welcome! I want to tell you something about a new Cappuccino framework I've been working on in the last couple of days. And what it is, it wraps Raphael, the JavaScript vector graphics library, in a loving embrace of Objective-J and Cappuccino. And I hope you have checked out RaphaelJS because it's really easy to use and just awesome. And yeah, maybe you can look at the demos. They're really interesting, and you can really easily build beautiful vector graphics, beautiful animations. It's just gorgeous. And I have to warn you, the demos I came up with are not nearly as pretty as these, but you could make them this pretty if you, yes, if you know how to use it. So let me just show you the demo. Okay, what you have is you have a view that will be able to display all of the vector graphics that you're building, and you have elements and classes for these elements to easily interact with them from your Cappuccino application. So I'll just build in a couple of demos. First one shows some animation. You have a circle element, and you can see that it animates the size, the color, and the position all at once. And that is very easy to do. I can show you the code really quick. You see right here, you build a circle, you fill it green, and then you say circle animate with duration 2000 milliseconds to the new attributes, the new color and the new location and the new size and the new radius, and it should have the bounce animation curve. That's all you gotta do, and the result is this. Second demo, you can include images. You can react to events like mouse, like hovering, and to clicks, like this. And now check out this nice animation. Whoop. And that's also really easy. You have your image, you have the start hover function and the end function, and you react to a click and rotate the image. That's all you gotta do. Very easy. Third demo, you can animate objects along an SVG path. That's also very easy. You build your path, you build in ellipse, and then you just say that the ellipse should animate along the path. And that's it. Fourth demo, just it's a couple of objects and they react to a double click. Nothing fancy. It's right here. I have the circle, rectangle 1, rectangle 2, the mouth is here, and I can combine them all in a set. So they all act as one unit. And then I just set the double click function on the set, and when I click it, it turns blue. Fifth demo, I can move stuff around just by reacting to different events. See, I have a circle, I fill it yellow, I set the mouse down function, fill it red, mouse up function, fill yellow, and then the mouse move event, I set the new center. So effectively I can drag it around. So, and the next demo, some more animation, text in different sizes. You should check this out yourself, but it's also pretty simple. And the last demo, I stole this from some website. It shows a gradient and rounded corners. And if I open the console, I implemented delegate methods for all of these events. And when you see this, you get delegate callbacks for move events, enter, exit events, for clicks, for double clicks. Everything works. So that is Raphuccino. You can check out everything on GitHub, and yeah, please leave feedback, please join in, and I hope it's helpful for you. And I think there's still some problems with the current Cappuccino version and Firefox. At least it had problems to load the framework. So I will still look into that, but I'm sure that will be fixed very soon. Thanks for watching.